Hey, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to let you know that every Friday I will be uploading a video and the series will be called Fab Food Fridays with Farah. Hope you enjoy. Hey, what going on? That was terrible. But welcome back to my channel. I wanted to go ahead and show you how I make my version of Rasta Pasta. I went to Publix. I had some gift cards, so I was like, let me go ahead and throw that in here just to help me with, these high groceries. But I got me some jerk seasoning from Publix. I also got me some fresh bell peppers. Publix always is on point with their veggies and just how they carry things. So I went ahead and I grabbed a few, the yellow, the red, orange, green. I could not forget my adobo. Adobo is so good. You can use it on a lot of your meats. Got some heavy whipping cream. And then I stopped in the section because I like to usually shred the cheese myself. But I also did get some shredded cheese. It just usually adds like a really good taste to it. It tastes more fresh. That's my opinion. And then I had to go ahead and stop to get some chicken breast. I was making like a decent amount, so I didn't need a lot. To me, this was sufficient. So I grabbed me some from there, got me some shrimp as well. They had buy one, get one free, so I was able to grab two, which is good. And this was the shredded cheese I was talking about. Went ahead and got some there as well. And these are the ingredients that I'm showing you. Everything will be in the description box, from the black pepper to the lime. I usually add that for my meat, of course. Heavy whipping cream, jerk seasoning, adobo, dry jerk seasoning, Old Bay. Can't forget the shells. Showing you the chicken breast. Look, I got y'all. Just go ahead and check the description box, just so you can make sure you have all the measurements correctly and you got all your ingredients. Can't forget the salt. And also, I'm going to add a link to how I clean my shrimp. So check the description box for that as well. I start out by washing my bell peppers, and I showed like a small clip. This is to prepare the shrimp, showing some of the seasonings that I got. And this is what I added on the chicken. Turned out so good. This is the jerk seasoning. Took a quick flick. So this is me cooking the chicken. Make sure your chicken is thoroughly cooked. I like to make sure my meat is well prepared. And this is the aftermath of it being really cooked. I'm adding my minced garlic to the seasoning. And then I go ahead and I add the bell peppers. Look at how beautiful those colors are. I add that to my pan with my seasoning. And then this is the shrimp after it's cleaned. It's so good. Use the version of how I do it, how I clean it, and it'll taste so good. Sometimes shrimp be tasting too much like shrimp, if you get what I mean. Too much like sea. So this is me adding seasoning to the shrimp. And then this is after I add the seasoning along with the jerk seasoning. Guys, you have to try this. It's so good. And then I went ahead and I added the shrimp to the pan. Added some butter after I removed the shrimp from that same pan. You don't want to get rid of any seasoning. I add my heavy whipping cream to the same pan that I had the shrimp, along with my cooked veggies, the bell peppers. After that, after it's done, just some, it's gotten hot a little bit, I add the shredded cheese to the pan with the heavy whipping cream and all my ingredients. And I took a quick picture of how it looked. So I want to go ahead and start boiling my shells. After I basically got a majority of the work done. This is me showing you this. Look at how beautiful that shrimp is. Is it not delicious looking? You gotta try it. I'm telling you, you gotta try it. So after my shells have been cooked, I go and I add the sauce to the shells. Look at how beautiful that turned out. I even got a slow motion play. And this is a pic of the shredded cheese that I added on top. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp to the pot with everything in it, and I'm gonna mix it really well. I didn't have a video of it, but I did. Thank God I forgot. I remembered to take a picture so you can see how it looked. Look at how beautiful. And that completes the video. I thank you so much for taking the time out to watch, and this is how it turned out. Tell me what you think about it. If you went ahead and took the time to try it out, just give me your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share the video. All right, y'all, until next time.